This is an 82 GT. What's up, all you Kevins? Man, have I got a car for you today. This is an 82 GT, and on this episode, you're gonna hear about a story. This car has sat for decades. The owner just said, look, it's time to get this baby back on the road. The amount of custom stuff, the work that's been done on this car, it will make you drool. So don't go anywhere. Hit subscribe, hit like, comment. Thanks again for watching.
Yeah, hey guys, Jimmy Stigall from Jackson, Tennessee. My parents bought me this car when I was 16 years old. My dad got it on a Friday and kind of tossed me the keys on a Friday night, so I was really excited. At the time, this was a 4-speed car. It's a 5-speed now, but had never driven a 4-speed automobile. To be 16 years old and have my first car as a Mustang GT, I was just really ecstatic. The car has been stored for about 25 years. I parked the car inside a garage at home, and just one year went into another year, which went into another year, so out of sight, out of mind, I thought, well, I might decide to get a new car. My daughters at the time were trying to inspire me to get this car back out and do something with it, but at the time, I knew the car was going to need quite a bit of work, so I pondered their idea, went out, got the car out of the shop, got it running, and when I heard it start back running, it just kindled that fire that I once had for this car. And so I decided, hey, you know what, let's get this thing back on the road. And so I decided to modify it. I got the Coyote TKO Tremec transmission, 9-inch rear end, and just started getting the basic items to get this car together. And then I realized that there was a guy nearby, Jeremy Dover, that could put this car together for me. He's been working on it probably for about a year and a half. And this is the end result. Like I said, the car set up for I hadn't driven the car in 27 years. I just got the car back this past Thursday for the first time. He came with the wrecker, on the rollback rather, dropped the car off, dropped me the keys and said, go have fun. So my wife, who at the time was my girlfriend, we took it out for a night ride. And it really felt well to cruise some of the streets that we cruised when we were much younger, and reminiscing about the old days.
So you mentioned that it's got a little bit different power plant, so let's show us that.
Sure. This is a Gen 2 Coyote. It's got a Ford 9-inch rear end. It's got the BBK K member. Certain things require this. You got to do this to get this. A lot of this was a learning experience for me. But again, like I said, sending it to the right guys that could get the job done made my job a lot easier, because all I had to do was, hey, get the parts to me, we'll take care of it. The car had never been wrecked. It's never been smoked in. No, it's not the original paint. It's original color. Let me tell you the story about the wheels. I love the wheels. My wife actually picked those out, that style. We were looking at putting some Weld wheels on this car, and the style that I had picked out, she was kind of, yeah, let me look. And so she came across this style here. And so looking at their website, this wheel was not offered for this car. But I made a phone call to Weld the next day, and I spoke with someone and told him the story about the car, that I'm about 30 days out of needing some wheels. And he said, send me the videos, send me the videos, send me some pictures, and which I did. And within a few short hours, he called me back and he said, man, listen, I like the story of your car, and I can't authorize the manufacturer of these wheels, but I can get in touch with someone that possibly can. I'm going to email him these pictures and we'll see what he says. Well, a few hours went by and I got a call from Weld Wheels. And they basically told me, said, look, we like the story, we like the car, we're going to build you these wheels. And you're going to be the only one for right now to have these wheels. And we will try to rush this up and have you the wheels so you can have them for Ford takeover and the car show's coming up. So I was really ecstatic. And in about 3.5 weeks, the wheels showed up. And the magazines and the pictures that I saw on the website, they just didn't do it justice until I saw the wheels out of the box. I was like, wow, that really will make this car pop. And I was really taken. I think that makes, to me, that makes the car. It's just separates some of that black and gives it just that right kind of a European look, but not overkill. So I really wasn't expecting them to come in on the day that they did come in, but that particular day it had come a real heavy rain, and so I'm pulling in my driveway, and as I pull in my driveway, I noticed something glistening off in the distance off the sidewalk. And I'm like, I know that's not my Weld wheels sitting in the driveway on the sidewalk, not under the patio. And as I got closer, the box that the wheels were in had collapsed from all the rain and the wheels were exposed. And I'm thinking, well, I hope that they didn't just get to the edge of the truck and go, here's your wheels, you know. But after looking at them and inspected them, there was nothing wrong with the wheels. They were fine, and I was just like, wow, I didn't expect to get them as quick as I got them. So I got them to Dover, and he was just... That
goes to show the answer is always no till you ask.
That's right. So I guess I got lucky. It was just meant to be. So shout out to Weld Wheels. Thank you so much for taking care of me and making my car look,
They look really, really killer. And so unique. Everybody these days wants different. They want unique, and to be somebody that has a one-off set so far that nobody can get yet is really cool.
Yeah.
You show up with the first thing, and in an 85 GT with black, it's pretty nasty.
Well, what makes it so unique for me is to be 57 years old and still have the same car that I started out with when I was 16. So not many folks can say they still have the first car. I had tossed around putting this on or leaving it off. When I first purchased this car, these louvers were taken off immediately. So they had never been on this car until just this past few months. And again, like I said, I can always take it off, but if you'll look around at the show today, I haven't seen any Mustangs with the louver on, so I thought, well...
I might have seen one.
So I thought, well, this will be unique and different. So again, like I said, I can always take it off, but it just brings out the car for the era that it was in, it was in. Sure.
Really clean. Now, was this same way it came, or did you do some color changing?
Well, it's the same color and all, but it's just been the seat covers and the door panels and dash pad has all been replaced with new. But I can tell you this: the ones that the stuff that I took off the car to be replaced was really in good shape. Because again, the car only had 83,000 original miles, so it wasn't tore all to pieces or ragged out or anything. It just, when I started this, it was a domino effect. Well, now that I've replaced this, I need to replace this. So I don't think there's anything on this car basically that I haven't touched or replaced.
Gorgeous car. It's got a Coyote in it. What's the exhaust setup?
The exhaust is MagnaFlows. Full MagnaFlows, 3-inch. Now it's a little louder than I would prefer.
The cold start sounded really good.
But it's it's 3-inch and there's really hard. It's hard to contain.
Oh yeah.
Contain that. You're not going to get it.
Yeah. You can't contain that beast.
Yeah. So it likes to breathe and it likes to it likes to run. So. I'm proud of it.
Man, because it is sure a gorgeous thing. And for you to, you know, get the idea from your kids and then go back and get it running, and now to bring it out like this is just, it's a real treat for all of us. So appreciate you doing it, man.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, heck yeah, dude, absolutely. If you liked this video, go watch another one. There's plenty more on the channel. If you want, make sure you subscribe. There's gonna be an experience giveaway. It's gonna be unreal. It's gonna include flight, hotel stay, a video with me driving 7 different Mustangs in Florida. Make sure you hit subscribe. Don't pass it. 90% of you guys don't subscribe. Now's the time. Click the thing, click the bell. You guys rock. See you on the next video.